Let me start off by saying there is no way I'm suggesting that this is authentically Mexican or anything like that. It's more authentic than what I and many suburban households in Australia grew up with, which was just beef mince and some taco seasoning, and your parents calling it a taco. Taco Tuesday, sonny! This is just really yummy. This is actually one of my favorites and something that I do get really good feedback from. And I'm actually really excited to share it with you today. And this one really is a winner. So if you finish all your tacos and you've got mince left, well, this goes great with rice, good on a quesadilla, burrito, wraps, anything. Or even just on the couch with a bowl and just, oh, stop it. We'll start the prep with finely dicing the onion. Any onion will do really. I tend to use yellow onions for pretty much everything except for using red onions for a select few things. Pickled onion being one of those, which goes great with these tacos. Believe that a pickled onion video will be out soon. Finally dice the carrot as well, about the same size as the onion. We're aiming for everything except the beans to be uniform in size, even the mince. Cut the bacon to a small dice and add to a bowl with the rest of the chop. Finally dice, grate or press the garlic and keep it in a separate bowl from everything else. Once all your cutting is done, grab the veggies and everything else that is going in the dish and have it ready to go next to the stove. Fry off the onion, bacon and carrot with some cooking oil and a pinch of salt. Over medium to low heat, saute this for around 10 minutes.
That is one of the greatest catches of all time.
Once you're happy with that, turn the heat up and add the mince with a pinch of salt and stab it to break it up while releasing its water and browns. Before adding your liquid and seasoning, I want you to fry off the garlic and tomato paste for 2 minutes, softening the pungency of the garlic and deepening the taste of the tomato paste. Add the taco seasoning packet and the stock, or water if you don't have stock. Stir it in well and simmer for a good 20 minutes, letting the liquid evaporate and thicken before you add the beans of your choice. I'm not really fussed which beans I use. It's usually kidney beans or a Mexican mix with a kidney, pinto and black beans. Either or, I'll drain the excess liquid out and dump them into the pot for the last 20 minutes. If near the end you need to add a bit of water, go ahead, but don't make it too runny. You're going to add salsa to this and it just depends on how much of a mess you want to make. If you want it to be more saucy and thicker, then add in a cornstarch slurry with a tablespoon of cornstarch to a tablespoon or 2 of water and mix it all together in like a little ramekin and dump it in and give it a good mix, and that'll make a nice little gravy consistency. And that'll just, yeah, you know what I'm talking about. Do it. It's a great little hack that works with a lot of dishes. That's if you want it. I don't usually do that. I generally like my taco mince to be a bit on the dry side, so it just doesn't go fucking everywhere. This is a really nice basic staple that I have with my tacos most of the time, and sometimes I'll just make a batch up just to have with rice. Yes, it's packet seasoning taco mince, but it's a lot more than simple and it definitely ain't bland. Give this one a try, honestly, you won't regret it.
Man, I absolutely miss
Oh shit.
Fuck, that feels so fucking spicy. I'm not fucking dropping shit everywhere.
Clean yourself up, bitch.
Enjoy.